In this video, I'll show you how to use Robinhood for value investing in a simple way. First, open the Robinhood app and tap on the search bar, then start by looking for companies you believe are undervalued. Tap on a stock and scroll through the details. Look at basic information like price history, company performance, and any news. Value investing means finding stocks that may be priced lower than their real worth. Next, compare different stocks. Search for similar companies and check their prices and performance. This helps you spot better opportunities. When you find a stock you're confident in, tap Buy, enter your amount, and confirm your investment. Try not to invest everything in one stock, spread your money across a few solid companies. Value investing is about patience. Avoid checking your portfolio too often or reacting to short-term price changes. Instead, hold your investments and give them time to grow. You can also set up recurring investments to keep adding to your positions over time. That's it. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tips.